She is the CEO and founder of Major Executive Search. We've got Debbie Douglas. She is a director of talent acquisition at Viacom CBS, and Miriam Bilderlon, who is the global head of diversity and talent at Nielsen IQ. All very well versed in HR issues. What are you seeing in terms of packages that you are, clients are saying to you that yes, please look for such and such a candidate. This is what we're willing to offer, and not necessarily just in terms of compensation, but all of those, perhaps what we might call soft, enticing elements that people are really, really looking for right now.
Yes, I think Miriam brought up an excellent point. There is a war for talent out there. It's very competitive. And so we're seeing that candidates are getting multiple offers. They are, and why would they take one versus the other? Well, obviously there is the money aspect and the equity. That's certainly, but I think to your point, the soft, the ability to work remote is a huge selling point. And I'd say most of the companies that I'm working with have at least a minimum of a hybrid program. When you think about the opportunities globally for people, for talent, if we truly went mobile, I mean, we could be, Poppy, you're over in a different, we're all offshore from time to time. I mean, we could have an incredible workforce that could be global, that it wouldn't matter as long as you are willing to get up at different hours of the night and participate. But I see this, the clients that I work for are getting, I would say they're getting very clever in making sure there are video tours of the campus, that they're meeting people on calls, the team, and they're getting some excitement and group participation when you aren't seeing people in person as much. I do still see, though, that at the upper levels, we are still doing in-person interviews wherever we can at the after we've gone through screenings. So that is still going on. But then the package at the end is usually a very competitive, very compelling package that is personalized.
I think it's interesting there that you just mentioned, Sue. It's been an absolute pleasure to hear your insights and pieces of advice for our CircleAround viewers. And again, to the viewers, if you have found this as an insightful conversation as I have, please share on your social media, please send to a friend so that we can keep these conversations going and keep these expertise in flow. It's been a pleasure to be with you. I'm Poppy Mputing. That brings us to the end of this CircleAround panel.
Thank you so much.